The steam engine, a marvel of human ingenuity, emerged from a simple principle, harnessing the power of heated water. This principle, though seemingly straightforward, opened the door to a new era of technological advancement and industrial growth. The journey of steam power began with humble experiments and evolved into a force that would shape the modern world. As early as the 1st century, inventors experimented with steam. These early pioneers laid the groundwork for future innovations, even if their creations were rudimentary and often misunderstood. Hero of Alexandria, a Greek mathematician, designed a device called the aeolipile. This simple yet ingenious invention used steam to spin a sphere, showcasing the potential of steam power in a tangible way. It spun a sphere using steam pressure, demonstrating the potential of this invisible force. Although it was more of a novelty than a practical tool, it was a crucial step in understanding steam's capabilities. Centuries passed before steam's true power was realized. During this time, many inventors and engineers continued to explore and refine the use of steam, each building on the discoveries of their predecessors. In 1698, Thomas Savery, an English engineer, patented the first crude steam engine. His invention, though basic, was a significant leap forward in the application of steam power. This invention, known as the miner's friend, pumped water from flooded mines. It provided a practical solution to a pressing problem, showcasing steam's potential in industrial applications. While revolutionary, it was inefficient and prone to explosions. These early challenges highlighted the need for further innovation and improvement. In 1712, Thomas Newcomen, another English inventor, improved upon Savery's design. His enhancements made the steam engine more reliable and powerful. His atmospheric engine featured a piston and cylinder, offering greater power and reliability. This design was a major advancement, setting the stage for future developments in steam technology. Newcomen's engine found widespread use in mines across Europe. It became an essential tool in the mining industry, demonstrating the practical benefits of steam power. It marked a pivotal step in harnessing steam for practical applications. The innovations of Savery and Newcomen laid the foundation for the steam engines that would drive the Industrial Revolution, transforming society and industry forever. The steam engine, while groundbreaking, still had limitations. Early models were inefficient and consumed large amounts of fuel, making them costly to operate. It was James Watt, a Scottish engineer, who revolutionized its design in the late 18th century. Watt's keen observations and innovative thinking led to significant advancements. In 1765, while repairing a Newcomen engine, Watt identified its inefficiency. The Newcomen engine, though a marvel of its time, had a major flaw. He realized that constantly heating and cooling the cylinder wasted energy. This process not only reduced efficiency, but also increased wear and tear on the engine components. Watt's solution was ingenious. He introduced a separate condenser, a chamber where steam could cool and condense without affecting the cylinder's temperature. This innovation allowed the engine to run more smoothly and efficiently. This innovation drastically improved the engine's efficiency, reducing fuel consumption by 75%. Factories and industries quickly adopted Watt's improved design, leading to widespread use. Watt's improvements didn't stop there. He developed the double-acting engine, where steam pushed the piston from both sides, generating more power. This advancement made the steam engine even more powerful and versatile. He also invented the centrifugal governor, a device that automatically regulated engine speed. This ensured that the engine operated at a consistent and safe speed, preventing accidents and improving reliability. These innovations transformed the steam engine into a reliable and versatile power source. Watt's contributions were instrumental in powering the Industrial Revolution, changing the course of history, and paving the way for modern industry. The steam engine's impact on the Industrial Revolution was profound. It was a game-changer that revolutionized the way industries operated and how goods were produced. It powered the factories and mills that drove the era's unprecedented economic growth. The steam engine provided a reliable and consistent source of power, unlike anything seen before. Before steam, manufacturing relied on water wheels, limiting factory locations and production capacity. Factories had to be situated near rivers or streams, which often meant remote and less accessible locations. With steam, factories could be built anywhere, regardless of water sources. This newfound flexibility allowed industries to expand into urban areas, closer to labor markets and transportation hubs. This led to the rise of industrial cities and mass production. Urban centers grew rapidly as people flocked to cities for work, transforming the social and economic landscape. The textile industry in particular was transformed. Steam power enabled factories to operate larger and more efficient machinery, significantly boosting productivity. Steam-powered looms and spinning machines increased output exponentially. This not only lowered the cost of textiles but also made them more accessible to the general public. Transportation underwent a similar revolution. The advent of steam-powered locomotives changed the way people and goods moved across the country. In 1804, Richard Trevithick, a British engineer, built the first steam locomotive. This pioneering invention laid the groundwork for future advancements in rail transport. Though rudimentary, it demonstrated the potential of steam-powered land transportation. It was a significant step forward in the quest for faster and more efficient travel. George Stephenson's rocket, a more advanced locomotive, debuted in 1829. It was a marvel of engineering that captured the imagination of the public. It achieved an unprecedented speed of 36 miles per hour, ushering in the era of railways. This breakthrough marked the beginning of a new age in transportation, connecting cities and people like never before. The steam engine's impact extended far beyond factories and transportation. It touched nearly every aspect of daily life. Steam-powered printing presses made newspapers and books more accessible, fueling literacy and the spread of information. Agriculture benefited from steam-powered plows and threshing machines, increasing productivity and reducing reliance on manual labor. In homes, steam-powered appliances emerged. Steam irons made ironing less laborious, and steam-powered washing machines promised to revolutionize household chores. The world was changing at an unprecedented pace, driven by the power of steam. Though the steam engine's reign as the dominant power source was relatively short-lived, its legacy is profound. It laid the foundation for modern manufacturing, transportation, and energy production. The principles behind the steam engine, converting heat energy into mechanical work, paved the way for the development of internal combustion engines and turbines. These technologies in turn powered the automobiles, airplanes, and power plants that shape our world today. The steam engine's influence extends beyond its direct technological descendants. It sparked a spirit of innovation and experimentation that continues to drive progress. The Industrial Revolution, fueled by steam, gave rise to new industries, scientific discoveries, and social changes. The concept of mass production, born in steam-powered factories, transformed manufacturing and consumption patterns. The steam engine, in essence, was a catalyst for a technological and societal revolution that continues to shape our world. The story of the steam engine is a testament to human ingenuity. From its humble beginnings as a mine pump to its pivotal role in the Industrial Revolution, the steam engine demonstrates our capacity to harness nature's forces for progress. Its legacy is not merely a historical footnote but a reminder of the power of innovation to transform our world. As we stand on the cusp of new technological frontiers, the steam engine serves as an enduring inspiration, a symbol of how a simple idea, driven by human curiosity and determination, can reshape the course of history.